What if I told you that you could install a brand new cybersecurity habit this week? What if I told you this habit was borrowed from a prominent political leader? In fact, this one is former US President Ronald Reagan and his statement, "Trust but verify." I'm sure you remember him and likely the conditions under which he uttered those now famous words. But Russell, how does this apply to cyber? So glad you asked. I have an example that I hope will resonate well. It's likely in cyber you have a dashboard. Honestly, you probably have a bunch of dashboards, and that's great. And you look at your dashboard, it tells you how well things are doing, perhaps how well agents are phoning in and giving a status or giving an update and communicating into your dashboard. You look at your dashboard, things look like they're updating, but how do you know? How might you not just trust, but verify that they are actually updated or they are actually phoning into the dashboard or have done so, say, in the last few hours? It reminds me of a question I created several years ago. Feel free to use it. The question is this: how long can you stand to not know? As in, how long can you stand to not know those agents, you know the ones I'm talking about, have not phoned in recently to your dashboard? So what's the habit that I believe that you can install this week? It's just simple. Put a weekly recurring calendar reminder to do a manual check. A weekly calendar reminder to not just trust, but to verify those agents are phoning in. In this case, checks to make sure that the security agents that are supposed to report into your dashboard are actually, reporting into your dashboard. Yes, there's some manual labor. Yes, this practice has saved me more than just a few times to trust, but verify. And when you do that, you can likely be more effective in cybersecurity and also get wisdom as cheaply as you can. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so you will not miss out on any videos on cybersecurity just like these. See you next time.